why he's the champ. And he tours, they love to swim all day and dodge the bad checker. By the way, I hate that coconut smell. I think it's hotter than hell. So the lifeguards are praying for rain. The lifeguards are praying for rain. The lifeguards are praying for rain. Oh, the lifeguards are praying for rain. They pray, please, let the clouds come and darken the sky. Let the thunder crash, make all the babies cry. I wish it would start with a lightning show, but it won't. So you know that the lifeguards are praying for rain. Lifeguards are praying for rain. Lifeguards are praying for rain. Oh, the lifeguards are praying for rain. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He went to bed with a bump on his head, and he couldn't get up in the morning, 'cause the lifeguards are praying for rain. The lifeguards are praying for rain. Lifeguards are praying for rain. Oh, the lifeguards are praying for rain. Well, the lifeguards are praying. They spend their whole day saying, oh please, make it rain.